Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on a force to be reckoned with, the 2024 Aston Martin DBX 707. This isn't your average luxury SUV, this is a beast that combines elegance with raw power, making it a true head-turner on the road. Exterior. Let's start by taking a look at that head-turning design. The DBX 707 boasts an assertive stance, with a wider, more aggressive grille that dominates the front fascia. It's a signature Aston Martin look, but taken to a whole new level. Functional air vents and side curtains hint at the power lurking beneath the hood, while the 23-inch wheels add a touch of undeniable. Speaking of power, the DBX 707 is a monster in disguise. Under the hood lies a pumped-up 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, churning out a staggering 707 horsepower and a gut-wrenching 663 pounds-feet of torque. That translates to exhilarating acceleration and a top speed that will leave you breathless. But it's not just about brute force. Aston Martin has also engineered the DBX 707 for exceptional handling. Upgraded brakes and a refined suspension ensure you stay in control, even when pushing the limits. Interior. Now, let's step inside the opulent cabin. The DBX 707 pampers you with luxurious materials like rich leather and exquisite carbon fiber accents. The handcrafted details throughout speak volumes about the quality and craftsmanship that goes into every Aston Martin. The focus here is on driver comfort, with supportive sports seats and a sleek, driver-oriented cockpit. But there's ample space for passengers as well, making the DBX 707 a true all-rounder for those who enjoy the finer things in life. The 2024 Aston Martin DBX 707 is a remarkable SUV. It's a perfect blend of power, luxury, and style, making it a dream car for many. If you're looking for an unforgettable driving experience and a statement piece on wheels, the DBX 707 might just be your perfect match. This incredible machine. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the DBX 707, and if you're interested in learning more about this or other Aston Martin models, be sure to check out the official website or visit your local dealer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.